Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether Wealthsimple is safe as a bank. This is a question that a lot of people have been asking me recently, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the details, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who's been using Wealthsimple for a few years and wanted to share my experience with you. So, take everything I say with a grain of salt. What is Wealthsimple? Wealthsimple is a Canadian fintech company that offers a number of financial products and services, including Wealthsimple Investing. This is a robo-advisor that helps you build a diversified investment portfolio. Wealthsimple Cash. This is a high-interest savings account. Wealthsimple Trade. This is a discount brokerage platform. Wealthsimple is a relatively new company, but it has grown rapidly in recent years. As of December 2021, Wealthsimple had over 2 million customers and $10 billion in assets under management. Is Wealthsimple safe? Yes, Wealthsimple is safe. It is a regulated financial institution that is subject to the same rules and regulations as traditional banks. Wealthsimple also has a number of security measures in place to protect your money. Here are some of the reasons why Wealthsimple is safe. Wealthsimple is regulated by the Ontario Securities Commission, OSC. The OSC is an independent government agency that regulates securities and investment advisors in Ontario. Wealthsimple is a member of the Investment Industry Regulatory Organization of Canada, IIROC. IIROC is a self-regulatory organization that oversees investment dealers and advisors in Canada. Wealthsimple uses encryption to protect your personal information. All of your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number, is encrypted and stored securely. Wealthsimple has a number of security measures in place to protect your money. These measures include two-factor authentication, fraud detection, and regular security audits. In addition to these security measures, Wealthsimple also has a number of insurance policies in place to protect your money. These policies include custody insurance. This insurance protects your money in the event that Wealthsimple goes bankrupt. Cybersecurity insurance. This insurance protects your money in the event that your account is hacked. What are the risks of using Wealthsimple? There are a few risks associated with using Wealthsimple. These risks include investment risk. There is always the risk that your investments will lose money. This is especially true if you invest in volatile assets, such as stocks. Cybersecurity risk. There is always the risk that your account could be hacked. This is a risk with any online financial service. Liquidity risk. You may not be able to access your money immediately. This is especially true if you invest in illiquid assets, such as private companies. Is Wealthsimple right for you? Whether or not Wealthsimple is right for you depends on your individual circumstances. If you're looking for a safe and easy way to invest your money, Wealthsimple is a good option. However, if you're looking for a more sophisticated investment platform, you may want to consider another option. Overall, I believe that Wealthsimple is a safe and reliable way to invest your money. It is a regulated financial institution that has a number of security measures in place to protect your money. While there are some risks associated with using Wealthsimple, these risks are outweighed by the benefits. If you're considering using Wealthsimple, I encourage you to do your own research and make sure that it's the right choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and happy investing.